Hey guys, my name is Subham Singh. Welcome you all in Education Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Mission Karmyogi. Why did government bring Mission Karmyogi? What was the reason behind that? There must be some reason of bringing Mission Karmyogi right now. So let's discuss all this thing in a brief manner. Let's start by seeing the Prime Minister tweet. Yesterday on 2nd of September at 6:41 pm, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has tweeted this. Let's start. Mission Karmyogi, National Program for Civil Services Capacity Building approved in today's cabinet will radically improve the human resource management practices in the government. It will use scale and state-of-art infrastructure to augment the capacity of civil servant. And the second tweet is that the iGOT platform will enable the transition to a role-based HR management and continuous learning. Mission Karmyogi aims to prepare civil servants for the future by making them more creative, constructive and innovative through transparency and technology. Let's start by discussing this one by one. Mission Karmyogi, rules-based to role-based. What is the difference between that? What is the difference between rule based and role based? Rule based is that is in the rule. Role based means you have to perform that role, then only you will get role based. So in India, when we talk about the rule based and role based human resource management, in every department people are working very hard, but that is in the rule. But on the role, that is the different. The thing is very different at that time. Emphasis role of on-site learning in complementing of off-site learning. So on-site learning in complementing of off-site learning means the government will provide more and more innovative methods to on-site learning. That's only the people will get more training. Linking training and development of competencies of civil servant. Civil servant means not only the civil servant means IAS, IPS. Please note that not only IAS and IPS. Not only IAS and IPS. In civil servant, everybody comes under civil servant. Those person who are working under government, they all comes in the civil servant category of civil servant. Transforming training institution into center of excellence. Center of excellence means they will get more and more creative things, like that they will get more and more labs to perform. Like in India, what we can see that those person who joins a job, after joining a job, they get more than less than 1 year or 2 year training. But we can see that in the coming time they will not get training, they will perform the job till the end of his job career. So that thing is different. We can see that I would like to say it in Hindi that अगर किसी को जॉब मिलता है वहाँ पे तो जाके एक बार ट्रेनिंग होता है उन लोगों को, और ट्रेनिंग के बाद उन लोगों को मौका नहीं मिलता है एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रेनिंग का. जब उन लोग जॉब में जुट जाते हैं तो जॉब में मतलब जुट जाते हैं, उन लोग को ट्रेनिंग करने का फिर मौका नहीं मिलता. सो आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट देयर मस्ट बी ए ट्रेनिंग. लाइक इफ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट our own state Bihar, like there are lots of teachers who does not know how to teach to the student. They are simply going to the school, they are performing their own art and they are not teaching students. That's the thing is totally different. Ministry to directly invest and co-create a common learning ecosystem. It means that co-create a common learning ecosystem means from every department people will try to learn each other, that how their environment is working, means how they are working in the society, means every person will gather together. Focus on massive scale training on e-learning. Focus on massive scale training means for e-learning. E-learning means learning through internet. A massive scale training, which means that massive scale means training at a lot of time, training a lots of person at a time, means this is the focus of government so that they can improve the people, the government servant. We can see that to provide anytime anywhere learning to the train about 2.5 crore civil servant. It means I am talking it Again I am talking it that in 2.5 crore civil servant there are more people, less than, not only civil servant means IS and IPS, there are more people come under civil servant, those people who are working for the government organization. So to provide anytime anywhere learning to train about 2.5 crore civil servant. Content curation to evolve into a vibrant and world class marketplace. There will be a world class marketplace and their content curation to evolve into a vibrant and world class marketplace supported by a robust e-learning content. It means that there will be a most quality e-learning content, industry providing best in class content with Indian values. Industry will be also be requested to provide more and more training, because we all know that industries are the main source of income for any country. Like of any industry, they will provide more and more social solution also. To create continuous frictionless guided capacity building for all civil servant, means to create continuous frictionless guided capacity means government will take the responsibility of everything, like continuity, frictionless and guided capacity. It will include the PM of our country, some minister also, industries also, like I have earlier said, industries also, industrialist, and there will be a lots of person, they will guide the civil servant. So they will guide the civil servant, and civil servants who are working right now, they will get a better quality training, which means that the theme of Karma Yogi is that those person who are right now working as a government servant, they will get a better quality environment. So that like I have earlier said, that there is a need of training, which means that training is a type of thing which can never be ignored. If you have not any training, like if you are studying and you are not training by the teachers, what does teacher do? Teacher do training to the students. If you are not trained, you cannot perform a work in a very well manner, in a very authentic manner, which means that there is a need of training in our country. So that's only the purpose of government. So at last I would like to say that this is a very good idea of government to provide training. It is a very good thing, I think, and we must support that. So thank you everyone. Before ending this video, I would like to say, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.